What's happening, you guys? What is happening, you guys? Zesty brothers and zesty sisters. What the fuck is that in the chat, bro? Whoa! Somebody spammed the hell out of the chat. Zesty gang, baby. Oh, look at this break below here. If this candle can wick up and push down, I might take a sell. Gut. Get rid of that fucking emoji. Ooh, it looks kind of ugly on Forex. We'll see. They speak in... Bro, crazy enchantment. Crazy. We are from Poland. Oh, you guys are having like some sort of Polish conversation. I see. Alright, you guys, let's have a look over here. No spam. We're from Poland, we meet here. Ah, cool. Okay, fair enough, fair enough. I shall allow it. You have been granted. No, jokes. So the tricky thing is that Forex and futures are looking very different with how they're responding right now. I'm gonna have to trust futures because that's what I'm trading. How's your day been? Wow, day has been amazing. Day's been amazing. Thank you for asking. I hope you are of that same kind of answer. Caught two nice dubs here. I was so close to passing my challenge. I should look myself out. Weeks of worth, building to 560 down the drain in 2 hours. Okay, Perry. So we caught that trade pre-London. And you got back in. Yeah, okay. Okay. Well, firstly, it's amazing that you're saying that out loud, brother. Like, just saying that out loud is, like, huge. You know how it is, man. It's just, now you just have to grind back to it. It's all learning anyway. The mistakes you make today will help you tomorrow. Because you're learning from this shit. Yeah, I locked myself out after that, Pez. But don't stress, man. I freaking made my coffee and then I realized I used all my ice this morning. I let my emotions get the best of me because I wanted to pass immediately. Yeah, yep. I've done that before. I've blown a challenge when I was like $100 away from passing. And I think a lot of people have been in that situation. It's like the psychology of it, knowing that it's just there. But that's all right. You're gonna get it. You're gonna get it, bro. And if you don't, it's fine. You're gonna get the next one. Doesn't matter. It's like you'll be trading for the next 70 years. So like whatever happens today doesn't matter. You guys realize that, right? You guys are all gonna be trading for like the next 70 years. So like whatever shit you go through today, it's not gonna matter. What's gonna matter is your performance over 70 years. Gotta grind harder now. Yep. And just know, yeah, like, look, man, my emotions can get me. I should just lock myself out. Because I'm still subjected to, like, feeling the emotion, the pull of getting back in the market. That's why, like, if I trade an Asia trade, I'll just lock myself out because I don't... Here's the thing that's really good to know, you guys. You don't need to take every setup you see. You know what I mean? Like, it's not a good way to go. Just pick your session, pick your setup, and just do it like once or twice a day. It doesn't have to be everyone you see. Let me just turn TikTok on here. Dan was not interested in this short. What short? I'll do a bit of analysis here in a sec. I'll do a bit of analysis in a sec. Fucking hope so. 70 years old, I'll be 130. By that time, in 70 years, you'll be plugged into a computer and we'll be living forever. Can you sing that? It's every day, bro, with that Disney Channel flow. It's every day, bro, with that take profit flow. Grind harder. Skip risk management. Risk management is all good in theory. The difficulty is how to implement it when you're emotionally tilted, when you've taken an L. The issue with the thing that's so difficult about trading is you can take an L and know that it's a game of probabilities, and there is a probability that if you enter again, even though you know it's not a good trade, you can by chance win. And that's why trading is so difficult, because in our mind, we go, I can technically win again, right? And then what happens usually is you take another loss and then it just spirals, right? That's why it's good to have a strict set of rules. What's up, Daniel? Will you drop down your support level? When this candle closes, if it closes green, yes. If it closes green, I'll actually drop it down to here, because the range below just there is going to be too short to this next spot. What up, Thenus? My bloody light. Can you do dual screen? No, that's why on TikTok you guys have to come here if you want to see a screen, because TikTok has too strict on policies like that with charts, unfortunately. When I used to show my chart, I'd get like, you know, there's been times where I've had over 1,000 live viewers, but you know, you get your accounts completely taken down because of it, unfortunately. All right, I'm going to do a quick bit of analysis here. Daily, cool. Because we need to know where we're at. 4 hours looking cool for sells. Hey, Carolina, good to see you. Good to see you. 1 hour, cool. 30-minute, cool. Yay! Alright, that's better. Alright guys, let's lock in. Yeah, the reason why I'm kind of skipping through this top-down analysis is like there's not much, there's nothing special to be looking at. I think these two areas that I've got marked out here are like two key areas that are pretty relevant to just to catch a move either side. Yeah, I like where I kind of like where we are. I like where we are. So let's just do that right. No. Ms. Morgan, it's you. Good to have you on the internet with me. Main time was a poo between the Asia and London is death zone. Yep. The death zone, Pez. The thing is, you're going to learn now, but the hard way, unfortunately. But Dan, it's a huge difference in your price and mine. Yeah, I'm jumping between futures and Forex. So if you're on Forex, it's going to look like this. It is looking quite different at the moment. Do you only trade gold? Yep, just gold. Yeah, what's the bridge doing? We'll have to wait and see. Hopefully it's green. The background music sounds like you're living like an alien, being a human. All right, there was something I was going to do that was crazily important. What was it? All right, TikTok, I'll show you this for a little bit, but I'll have to take it away after a while. It's weird, bro. I'm actually still happy because I got to close, so I know I can do it. You got to... Oh, you got so close. Yeah, exactly, Perry. Yeah, me and Perry caught a freaking juicy sell. 37 pips, full take profit. We entered right here on a sell on this candle. I won't bother going into depth about describing the setup. And then we took TP literally down here. It was 37 pips. Rode it all the way down. Like we did cut off 80% on the way, but yeah, we end up taking full take profit. Another banger. Yeah, that one just there. And I also took an early wick fill, like early pre-London. You know, this candle opened up and kind of pushed up here, created a big wick. But I did like that it still engulfed a lot of this range. And then when this next candle wicked down and started to push above here, I actually had my buy order above this wick here. So it was like there. And I had my take profit just above this wick because I did believe that a lot of sellers would have their stop loss up there because they think, oh, there's no way it's going to keep going up. And it exactly played out. I used small lot size though because it was early Asia. I still call it a lot size even though I trade fucking contracts on futures. It's so cute of me. Would this strategy work with other pairs? Yep. No ice today. It's just raw cough. It was killing me in the past couple of weeks, Asia and London, but I did so much unnecessary damage in between those sessions. Yeah. Yeah, but we went over that the other day, Perry, so at least you know now. Unfortunately, you have to learn the hard way. But I'll show you guys something here, and I was talking about this with Perry, is like, you know, you come into the Asia sesh there, right? And it's like, okay, maybe like an hour into Asia, it's like, it is good volume on gold, right? The first 3 hours of Asia is good volume. After that, I walk away. This is like a death zone, I believe. Like, yes, it can happen. Like, you still can get volume, but most of the time, it's kind of a death zone. Death, D-E-A-F. It's a death zone, and then as you come into pre-London, which is like an hour before London Open, which is kind of like when we start, you'll get that volume kick in again. So you'll learn the hard way to stay away from that kind of death zone. And yeah. How often you invest in gold? No, I don't invest, brother. I day trade gold. So it essentially means to come in and kind of scalp the market, just catch a little piece of the move. What up, Chris? Is that 30? Oh, that was a 30 closure. Okay, let's have a look at the 30 closure. Yep, nothing too crazy going on yet. Break above that level, I'm interested. And a break below, I'm interested. Yeah, I think we're in a pretty good spot here. There hasn't been like any like 400 pip freaking Asia move, so we could still get some decent volume here in the London sesh. And you know, this is kind of like the ideal setup when you come into the market. Is like you've got some range, like you got something to work with, as opposed to like the other week been trading. We've like come into the session, it's just like it's already on its way and it's not stopping. It's like, ah, sick. We have to just watch it, but we kind of got it cornered here. Got this bitch cornered. I don't know how much to put in. I'll give you advice. Don't put any in. Just learn. You need to learn, because if you put money in, Jenna. Oh, I know who you are, Jenna. If you put money in. So I remember you messaged me. Jenna, if I could give you any advice, just start Googling trading, like day trading, because day trading and investing long term are two different things. It's not for everyone, but if you're serious to learn the market structure, price action, and risk management, yep, exactly, Thinus, yep. It's not for everyone, but if you're serious about learning it and learning it in a professional way, hood and classy, hood and classy, hood and classy. Let's make love in Fortnite. Let's make love in Fortnite. Brother, our prices are different. Yeah, I'm on futures. You're probably looking at Forex. I'll be switching between them both, but I'll be executing my trades on futures. Hood and classy. I'm from the hood, but I'm also classy. GM Rooster. Oh, good morning, Rooster. What up? What up, CJR? CJR. CJR. Let me bring up your thing. I know you. You're an Australian. Yeah, CJR. Yeah, what up, brother? What up? Yep. What is up, my bro? Which time frame? I don't go below the 15, put it that way. How did these people sneak into the VIP stream? Did you find out? No, I think they've been there. They just haven't been active in the chat, like in the chat or anything. Anus, good day. Anus is here. Yes, sir. Doey, good to see you. How's your trading been going, Doey? Haven't heard from you in a little bit. Hope you're doing well. How to handle emotions in drawdown? Do you mean in drawdown or in when you're taking losses? Because that's two different situations. Jump in the YouTube. Yeah, jump in the YouTube, CJ. Can you give me a signal? Yeah, my signal is that you need to do a little dance. And the signal was me doing this. Sergeant? I don't know what I just did then, but... What do you think about how much time I need to learn how to trade? To learn how to trade, it doesn't take that long. It takes a couple months. To learn how to trade, it takes a couple months. And when I say learn how to trade, I mean understand what the market is, understand the fundamental terminology and the principles of everything. But then it's time in the hot seat and being exposed to different market environments and emotional situations that it puts you through. That's what takes time. What up, Nate? What up, Suman? Trade spot. You trade spot. It took me over 2 years, Ashley. It's been going well, actually. Finally, really good week where I'm in profit. I feel like I've started to manage my... beautiful, Doey. That's good to hear. See that? See, isn't that interesting? So Doey is in the mentorship over there, and you know, I said, how's your trading been? She said, yeah, it's been going good. But hear what you coupled it with? It's been good. I've been learning how to manage my emotions. Not it's been good. I've been finding these A+ setups. Like, I always say that like a good week for me isn't a week where I just crush the market. It's a good week when I have stuck to my rules. I've maintained like discipline within just my entire system. And all right. What's your average 1 to 3 trades a day? Yeah. Yep. Okay, we're getting some sort of push down over here. Bro, use price action. Yep. I only have stop loss on sell. Is that about... I don't know what you mean by that, bro. Big Isaac, what up, brother? CJR, what up, my dude? Good to have you over here on the YouTube. I'm a girl. We are emotional beings. Yeah, that's true. That is very true. Girls are emotional. XAU. I'll be trading like gold futures, which is MG, but I'll be switching between XAU but I'll be executing my trades on futures. But it's gold. Yeah, it's gold. Been 3 months in, still on demo and learning every day. When to know when to go from demo to live. Pretty soon, but I wouldn't say live. I would say go to a cheap funded, like a cheap challenge account. All right? Do like a cheap challenge account. How to learn trading? Google. It's the same, like people always say, how do I learn trading? I'm like, how do you learn anything? Right? How do you learn anything? Do you want to learn to twerk? Jump on Google. Do you want to learn to twerk like a professional? Hire a coach. Like the world, the internet is our oyster. Chat, how do I learn to twerk?
Hey, twerking can be a fun way to express yourself and get some exercise. If you're just starting, it's all about loosening up your hips and getting comfortable with the basic movement.
Ha! See? Getting comfortable with the basics. So you have to learn the basics. Hello, my brother. What up, my brother? My brother that I would almost guarantee is from another mother. But what is up, my friend? When to target huge wick fills? Oh, it's a case-by-case scenario. That's a good question, though. Caroline. Oh, brothers all round. I'm doing amazing, my brothers. I've got many brothers here. Are you on a live funded? Yeah, I'm trading a live funded account. And I'm playing on 100k funded. Ooh, okay. My strategy is price action. Brother from the same mother. I personally didn't like Funded Next, but I got funded with Funded Next, but I wasn't a fan. They restrict your leverage amount a lot, which most prop firms do, but I found Funded Next did quite a lot. And I couldn't find any information on it anywhere that they do that. Which is fine if you're going to trade like very conservative, but I get funded because I want to make money, not because I want to be super conservative. What up, big graph? Graphology over here. Please show us one twerking. Knowing you blew account 100 ways from knowing you blew an account 100 away from passing helps. Yeah, bro, Perry. Yep. Literally, man. I've done it all, bro. I've done it all. And guess what? So has everyone else that's been a profitable trader. They've done it all, bro. They've done it all. And I'm sure you already know this. It's just all emotional management. Like the first thing to get your emotional management in order is obviously have rules, like guide barriers that I need to abide by these rules. These keep me in the straight and narrow. And then abiding by them. Likely to push back to all-time high today. Likely to do two of one thing, go down or up. So we'll see. Do you have automated strategies? No. Currently learning how to write a Pine script. Let me tell you, it's slapping over my eyes. Systematic. Yeah, nah, I don't do any of that. Yeah, I don't do any of the systematic shit. Brother, do you remember me? Yes. I think we did a call, didn't we, King? No, I do remember your name, your crown. I remember your name, yeah. I don't think we did a call. Damn, this coffee without ice is fucking pretty good. Please explain how funded accounts work. No, it's going to be too confusing. Just Google it. Just Google it. Maybe I should become a bodybuilder for years before this. Bro, it's not going to hurt. Like, or not bodybuilding, like just something. Like, I'm telling you, man, discipline carries on. whatever you do in life, if it requires a lot of discipline, it's going to carry over into other aspects. Where to find a good mentor? Telegram signal groups. No, you're watching the greatest mentor outside of Genghis Khan. What up, Philip? Amazing, Jenna. Appreciate you. I think I need a hammer to keep me within my rules. Yeah. Look, that's everyone. That's everyone. Do you guys realize that the only thing that's stopping you from being the profitable, consistent trader, the guy that's on the podcast and the guy that's doing this and that and he's full-time trading, okay, there's an asterisk, which is your system has to be proven. Like, you have to have a good proven system. But outside of that, it's just your ability to stick to your rules. That's it. That's literally it. And it's crazy when you frame it like that and say, like, I could achieve all my successes that I wish to leverage trading to achieve. All I need to do is stick to my fucking trading rules and I can get there. And it's like, it's also the hardest thing to do because trading goes against all natural shit. Bro, stop drinking the iced coffee after all the zesty. Come on. Yeah, fuck. You're not an idiot for that, Carolina. That's everyone. I still have moments where I'm like, I'm like, oh man, I like, you know, as time goes on, you get better at it, but no, it doesn't make you an idiot at all. All right, so we're getting some sort of push down. Let's see if we can close below this range. Hey bro, I just started with the funded next. Ooh, I missed what you said about them earlier. No, I just said once you get funded with them, like you have to like the amount of size you can use on a trade comes down. All right. So whatever, like you could go pretty heavy in a trade during the challenge phase, but once you're funded, they lower that amount, that margin amount. Come on, Matt. We need you to break relatively strong, bro. Like, don't be a little bitch about it. Break relatively strong below this level. We've got 19 seconds. It's not looking good. 1 hour, no wick. Is this a 1 hour as well? Not yet. Still 15 minutes. A lot can happen in 15 minutes. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to, this isn't a breakout here, so don't get this twisted, you guys. This isn't a breakout. Like, a lot of people will go, oh, it's good enough. And yes, it can continue down from here. It's trading. It's technically random. But in order to stack the probabilities in your favor, this isn't a breakout for me. Or just even using basic fucking, using your basic brain. Like, there's a level we want a candle to break below. It didn't. And that's it. You take trades live, bro? Yep. I'm on YouTube, like, for the full screen. You guys won't be able to see it. Like, when I actually have to take this shit away real quick. I have to just bring it up and take it away because TikTok's super strict. Super. But yeah, you guys, if you want to see the full shits, come over here. Would you be worried about taking a sell when the 1 hour has no wick? What do you mean? The 1 hour is still open. The 1 hour still has like 15 minutes left. Whatever this candle, this is something that used to get me in trouble as well. Like, you look what the candle's doing now and go, oh shit, like this is doing that now. I can't do the thing I'm thinking. But then you go, bruh, it's still got so much long. Like, this can flip all the way up and close green. What up, Paul? P-Dog? P-Diddy? Switching to YouTube for full screen. Yeah, come over to YouTube for full screen for sure. You'll see it. It's a dope layout on YouTube. If you use the orb strategy, where would you put, bro? I don't even know about that. Sorry, bro. I can't help you there. No, X21. What up, chap? Yeah, look at this volume down here. Pushing down. Nice range here to the left. Remember that 10k I blew a while ago? I was so upset, lol. But now after this one, I see real progress in my game. Yeah, you've been like smashing it. Even that trade we took today, Perry, you said you had your stop loss there. Like, it's clicking, bro. You're getting the technicals are there, right? Now it's just emotional. Do you think we go for the FOG? What the fuck's an FOG? Oh, FE. I don't know about them things, bro. Sorry. Who are you on YouTube? It's my YouTube is my exact. Look, my YouTube's right there. You guys on TikTok, if you look right there. Alhamdulillah. You know what I mean? Which exchange do you use? The stock. No, I don't know. I don't know. To the left we have an FVG, order block, divergence, crossover, Bollinger Band. Sale? Sale? S-A-H-I-L. Sale. What up? Where's your TP? In your bum bum. Just passed my 100k. Beautiful. Good shit, Trap. Nice. Congrats, bro. Oh, what up, Kitch? Kitch, I haven't seen your name in a while. Like, where the freaking hell have you been? You've been cheating on me with other streamers. Finally back after having a month off. Good to see you smashing it. Lots of love, bro. Oh, nice, Kitch. Sweet, sweet. Yeah, I thought I hadn't seen you in a while. Green screen, bro. What up, Siege? It's just a little bit too bright for the green screen yet. Are you Muslim, brother? No, I'm not Muslim. Some Muslim people have said it's okay for me to say Alhamdulillah. So now I say it sometimes. Seems like we're pushing down. Yeah, we'll see. Love from Pakistan. Love back from Australia-stan. Yeah, we pushed down quite aggressively here. This will be a 1 hour, 30 minute and 15 closure. The 4 hour on futures looks bearish as. But that can change. Are you an island boy? Yeah. Island boy. If a candle sort of breaks out but closes smaller with a wick at the bottom, were you looking for a bounce support even if it's just below that level? Let's have a look. Nah, I wouldn't want to participate in buys in this range unless it broke. Yeah, I only want to participate in buys if it can break above that level here. Because you got these minor levels. There's some sort of mid-range here you can see. Like it's respected there, respected there, respected there, respected there. So yeah, I'd only want to participate up here for now in buys. Australia. What broker you using? Your mama! Sorry. I think I have Tourette's. I'm an I. Do you share your setups on Discord? No, but I trade live every single day, so you get to see it all. Yeah, nice to hear, Kitch. Good, beautiful. Bruzy, I see a possible fake out. I don't consider fake. The only way I consider fake out's a fake out is if I'll show you. fuck? Do you like brain rot content? Yeah, I would say I like brain rot content. No, I wouldn't. I don't think that's the right thing to say. I don't like brain rot content, but I think stupid content can be funny sometimes. Looking like Sonic. Yeah, the thing that I would consider fake outs is freaking shit like this. Like if this candle were to come down here and kind of, I'll show you guys on TikTok. If this candle were to come down here and then close kind of like that with the small bottom wick, and then the next candle, these are 15-minute candles, and the next candle immediately rejects back up and then closes back in the range, that's a fake out to me. Right? Me personally. But there's obviously different types of fake outs. You can get like just your standard, you can just get like your standard breakout fake out, which in a case like this would be like a candle that kind of looks like this. There are clues as well, and I'll tell you in a sec. And then, you know, the next one kind of wicks up and you go, oh, you know, it's probably going to continue down now. And then you take a sell there and then it starts to kind of turn back into a wick and then break back up into the range and fucking tag you out. Like if that happened in a situation like this, see how this candle is quite small. It's small in the previous one. Like when you get that breakout candle, you want strength. You want a strong candle breakout, like a big thick body. When it's kind of a smaller body, it's like, there's not much volume there. It's a bit of a red flag for a breakout. Type shit. I'm blue in the face, looking like that. So let's see, we've got 6 minutes over here. This is going to be a 1 hour 30 and a fucking 15 closure. Please, boss, how do I know to mark your ranges? I don't know how to answer that. Australia Stan. How many positions you take this week? 2 to 3 a day. Like on my back end, it looks like it's more, but that's just because I take partials or I add to position and things like that. But you like 2 or 3 a day. Well, 0 to 3. But I have traded every day. I've been doing well this week. I think I threw it in the Discord earlier. Blue in the face, looking like Sonic. Yeah, I don't know where I threw it. It's just annoying me now that I can't find it. Oh, that happens. Yeah, it looks like it's wanting to push down over here. Another day. Yep. What's your favorite IPL team? What the fuck's an IPL team? IPL team? Oh, Indian Premier League. Well, I just assumed that there's only one Indian cricket team. Wow, I don't know if that's racist for me to think that, but there's only like one Australian cricket team, isn't there? Who's the best? Who's better these days, Indian cricketers or Australian? I remember Australia used to dominate, and then I think India kind of took over from there. What up, Born for Greatness? Did you just find where that Sonic ad was coming from? No, I didn't. I didn't. Dennis is Owen, bro, no. What's the Discord link? A link that takes you to Discord. Australia, we smashed them in the test series. Oh, wow, it just happened. Interesting. Wow, I thought... Please, what time do you usually go live? An hour pre-London. Looking like Sonic. Yeah, about 1%. Yeah, we're going to need to wait for this candle to close. Looks like, I think Forex pushed down a little bit more. But see how this level here to the left on Forex, where the candle's basically at now, it's way past that on futures. I don't know, it doesn't matter. We'll just pay attention to futures. You're a price action trader? Yes. When the price has action, I participate. What's your target on gold? Yo mama. All right. Dave, I said it like 45 minutes from now. I've been streaming for 45 minutes. So whatever time that is for you in the world is when I would go live. Yamaha, what up, my dude? Or girl? What is freedom in trading? What is freedom in trading? Yeah, I don't know what you mean, sorry. Okay, so let's have a look here how this looks like it might... Oh, you came over from TikTok? Nice. You guys on TikTok see this right here? Full screen. If you want to see the full chart type shits. Unfollowing you? No, please, please. I was only joking. Sorry. Sometimes I guess sometimes my jokes aren't good. Oh shit. What do you think about AVAX? What the fuck's AVAX? I mean, do you live stream every day? Yes. No joke, bro. Oh, okay, it wasn't a joke. It was real. Yeah, it was real. When you asked about gold, where's my take profit? And I said, your mama, I literally meant your mother is sitting at my take profit point. You know what I mean? Like, it was clearly a joke. What do you think about TJL's trading strategy? I have no idea how he trades. I think it's ICT or something like that. I'm glad I followed you, mate. I learned a lot. Thank you, bro. Glad to have you, my friend. What's your thought about arbitrage trading? I don't know what that means, bro. Sorry. Bro, there's a lot of scammers on your Discord. Yeah, we're trying to figure out a way to get rid of the scammers. Because you're streaming. Yeah, I fixed that. Preach. I fixed that. I wasn't here for a week and it changed. How? What do you mean it changed? I usually watch your YouTube, but you make it addictive too. That's good then. I don't follow you long enough to know how you trade potential to profit. Yeah, literally. Okay, so we've got the 1 hour 30, and so the issue here, you guys, is it's like, okay, cool story. We got a breakout, right? What else do you trade, Chloe? I don't. It's just gold. I only trade gold. Yeah, I only trade gold, Chloe. There were no mama jokes before. Let's measure the range. Yeah, it's too far. It's too far away from the breakout range, you guys. I'm going to be brutally honest. And it's also quite a lot of red. Then def's a fake. Yeah, it's not. Whether it's a fake out or not, like if it does want to continue down, that's cool. But in terms of like an opportunity in a professional way to capitalize on that and go with the flow of it, there's no opportunity for that just yet with the way that it kind of broke out. But I'm just trying to use my brain. Let me and I'll put one more level here. I know it. I hope it doesn't look too messy, but let's put one more level here. That's clearly like the next kind of support level, right? So I guess we'll have to see if it wants to come down to there and how it wants to react. And I only want to look for buys above this range. Buys above. I'll put some text here. Blue in the face, looking like Sonic. Top right, and we'll bring up the size. We'll bring up the size of the text. No. Clutch. Yeah. So I obviously am very interested in buys above that range. I guess I'll put some text down here as well. Let me save this. And sells below this makes logical sense, I think, as well. I'm not going to put closure because it's just like it should, by this point, it should be a, you should be able to read my mind. All right. Sweet. And for this mid-range, I'm going to have to take this line away because I don't know just yet. I don't know. Oh, what up, John? No. I should be the one replying to all those active on TikTok. Should you, Conrad? Who put you in charge to make you Godzilla? We can't hear. Yes, you can. It's just you, bro. You're obviously not getting my texts. Range is clear on the higher time frame. Yeah, it is clear on the higher time frame, but I still have to respect. I've noticed like guys that trade pretty similar to me there. I think it is important. Maybe, yeah, I think it's still important to respect the 15-minute support. I'm still going to respect the 15-minute support. So this is going to be my level here, regardless of the cleanliness of it on the 1 hour and stuff like that. See, on the 1 hour, it's obviously clean, but yeah, I'm going to have to, I still have to respect the 15. It looks like we are getting some momentary shift. It could continue down. Who knows? Who cares? But we'll see. I just realized how different you are from the social media gurus who use words like arbitrage trading and then seller goods. Yeah, when I first came into trading, I would see guys and they would be like, because you know, if you look to the right hand side, you can see the number, the price point, which is like at right now it's 3048.4. And I'd see these guys and they'd be like, yeah, look, I'm taking my position at 380.4 and I'm going to take my take profit at 307.6. And I'd be saying all these numbers and like once my shit crossed over and I was like, oh man, this is so technical. But I realized that they say all these numbers and spit bars in like a complex way because they want you to think it's overcomplicated and you need to pay them in order to make sense of it. And it's just like, bro, we don't even need to do that. Like, why are we trying to make it sound more hectic than what it is? I have 3 confluence indicating a buy. I have 1 major one indicating a sell, which is right now it's moving down. I think that's the most important indicator is what is it doing right now. But yeah, it can do anything. That's the thing about the market, right? No wick at the previous candle, most probably going to over. I don't know. Yeah, we'll have to wait and see. It looks very different on Forex, does it? No, it looks fucking... See, at Forex, it's at this very key level, though. So let's bring this down here. It could reject here. It could reject. These are my rejections. What's that song? These are my confessions. Yeah, I was bored today and I googled what did Diddy actually do wrong, and the most fucking random segue. Oh fuck. Because you know you see on the media it's like Diddy's fucking this and that. I'm like, what did he actually do wrong? All I know is that he liked to have, you know what, and had a lot of oil. Yesterday I got 1 quick day. Nice. And watching my following you, am having goosebumps. Glad to have you, brother. Glad to have you here. Why not look for a breakout with support? Yeah, maybe, Perry. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Yeah, you could be onto something there. The only thing is, if I were to do that, I just... So, you know what, Perry? Why I wasn't that interested in that is because it's still quite far away from this level. See how it's quite far away from this level? It's still a bit too far. So, no, I wouldn't do that. If it looked like this, Perry... So the trade, if anyone was on the stream yesterday, Perry just asked about the trade we took yesterday, which is where it broke past that key level, didn't give us an opportunity, but then it created a bit of support. It created a bit of support outside of this range, and we were able to take a sell after that. Right? But I can't do that now. Because if this were to flip green and kind of do it here, it's too far away from the original support level for me to be interested. You know, take a sell there. Like, you want your stop loss to be back up in that original breakout range. But when it's too far away, I already know just by looking at this, it's going to be like 28 pips. So if I were to, or maybe a 32. Yep, it's literally 30, 31 would be my back in the range spot. And, yeah, like, yeah, yeah, nah. Dan took a trade today. Yeah, we took some in the Graph. You're in the mentor. Like Graph's got admin, so he's in the mentorship technically. We did the stream in there and caught a fucking 37 pip play here earlier. How you pass a challenge on the prop you offer on Discord, a higher time frame bot? Bro, how did you pass a challenge on the thing, a bot? I'm the bot. Zzz, zzz. I'm the fucking bot. Beautiful, Jordan. Just Google, brother. Start at the very ground up. I'd say join the Discord. There's a link in the bio and stuff there. But you know, we've got a free community over there. But yeah, just start from the ground up. Today's my birthday. Can I get it funded? Nothing in life comes free. Nothing in life becomes free. Daniel Loki could look like a guy called Diddy. Wow. What up, Danny? How big have to be the account? I don't know what you're talking about, bro. What's your opinion on AI trading? I think that it's a scam. Sometimes, Richard, but just in the mentorship community. Which isn't open for another couple weeks. Very fuck. It's literally like what it is. All right, 3 minutes here. We're getting a bit of support formed. Yeah. Futures and Forex are kind of like at 2 different points. Forex is like kind of technically still at this level. See what I mean? But it doesn't matter. Hey bud, what's on your nose? Yo mama. You know what I mean? I just lost a follower before for saying that. I better not say that. What? I don't know you too much, but I follow a few days and you do a lot of confirmation before entering a position, buy or sell. How you pass a challenge on a prop firm you offer on your discount. Oh, how do you pass a challenge? I pass it because I'm a freaking goat. That's all you need to know. Not goat as in greatest of all time. Goat as in I'm literally an animal. But can I copy your trades? No. Nah, yeah, of course you can do whatever you want, bro. I wouldn't suggest it, but yeah, if you want. Me and my friend are planning to program an AI bot to trade for us with FTMO rules implemented. Yeah, nice. Ego out of the roof. No, it's just, I'm just joking. It's just jokes. It's literally just jokes, bro. The thing is, when you sit here waiting for a setup, like you start to go crazy, so you just say crazy shit. Not a scam, but do you think they work or they're rubbish? I just don't think they work. Like, there's nothing. Think about the most advanced technology that there is out in the world at the moment, and still nothing has the ability to crack the market. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Island goat. I'm an island goat. Do you drop a signal? No, but I drop it like it's hot. That's gonna do my head in. There we go, that's better. I'm an island goat. Oh no, the bridge is red. Oh no, it's orange. It's like colorful. Is it the right time to purchase? It's funny when people say purchase. I'm not sure, sorry. I have a high time. Oh, yeah, okay, yeah. Can I just have one signal, please? So please help me. My country, we don't have water. Fuck now. So can I have one signal? In our country, we have no signal. What up, Sol? What up, Udangbi? thought you were getting up to twerk. The market does what it wants. Exactly, bro. Perry, I love that. Yep, definitely. 100%, bro. 100%. I can see it. What type of zesty things can we get into today with gold? Yeah, look. I think the top 2 zesty moments caught on camera are just really what I've got marked out here. Buys above or buys below. I don't think it's a good idea to want to participate within this range. To be brutally honest. Let's see what the 30 looks like. Yeah, I don't think it's going to be a good idea to participate in that range. What's future Forex doing? Forex kind of doji there. Yeah, nothing's happening just yet. So we'll wait and see. No volume? Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. You just gained another follower? Yes, Emmy! I lost one before, but I got one back. Alhamdulillah. No, my support and resistance aren't. That's a good question, Chester. He said, is your support and resistance affected by the previous day's session or just the current one? Just the current one, brother. Just where we are right now. So to the immediate left, what's the closest support and resistance levels? And then if I'm entering a trade and I'm looking to take off profits and things like that, maybe I'll go to the left and just see if there's anywhere that can kind of give us some issues. But yeah, in terms of marking those levels, it's just the immediate left. Then you'll do a glutes. Would this trade not be valid because there's no top week? There's no trade anyway, Doey. Like I'm not looking at for anything just yet. Like if you're talking about that 1 hour there, don't even worry about that. But yeah, in terms of where we're at right now, there's nothing. All the 4 hours going to close here on. It's still got 40 minutes. You know, maybe we could come down and kind of fill this range a little bit. You know what I mean? Like come down here and fill this. Who knows? We'll have to wait and see. Bro, if there's a freaking... If there was like a... You know, like a collector on how many times I've said, we'll just have to wait and see. It's gonna yeah, they do need to get to that cell tower if they're looking for a signal. That's what I want, to try to get info, find a mentorship group to trade with. Yep, you can jump on the waiting list for my mentorship. If you guys were to jump into one of my links in my bio, there's a link, and you can see here on the top one, Daniel Holmes trading course. And if you click on that, this is what it does. It takes you here and it says coming soon, join the waitlist, and then you can click here and join the waitlist. All right, have everything broken down for those that want to take it serious. Have one-on-one coaching still live, so I'm still doing my one-on-one sessions. But in terms of the actual mentorship, that's what's up. Yeah. You're a good trader. Nice to meet you from Nigeria. Good to fucking have you in the chat. Love from Australia. Bro, if this was a green screen, it would not be free. Why it's not a good idea to participate in that range? I don't like to participate. Like I would like it to be cleaner, really. Like there's some sort of mid-range here. Right? Notice how like there's this mid-range. So this pulled up there, this pulled up there, this kind of pulled there. These wicks all tapped into it. So if I was looking for buys back up here, I have to be like, how is it going to have an issue getting past there, and maybe pull back and tag me out in that pullback and then continue. Right? If I want to take my trading professional and I want to take the most high probability setups, and a high probability setup would be if this was just clean range and there wasn't like a lot of areas where it was having issues. Because at the you got to realize, like, you know, I'm on a funded account. This is real money. Like if I take a shitty trade, I lose real money. So I want to make sure I'm taking professional setups with high probability. So that's, but in terms, to answer your question, that's the reason why. Let me get rid of this line. You got jokes, a strange area. The amount of fake accounts for you that follow me. Yeah, I know, CJ. So the thing is, if you guys want a lot of followers, just comment on my video. It's wild. Bro, what is London doing? London's just been London. It's just brewing up. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, back to you, my friend. We love when you say it. Really? Wow. I want to get into this so badly, bro. What would you recommend for the first steps to getting into this, boss? Brother, my first step would be literally jumping onto Google and just saying, what is trading? What is a candlestick? Like literally just start from the ground up. There's no secret code. You don't need like a certificate. You don't need any formal education. You can just literally start Googling. That's the great thing about this. You know, I tell the story sometimes when I was kind of at my rock bottom point in life, and I just typed into Google like best ways to make high income jobs. And when the fourth one down was trading. I was like, what the fuck is trading? Next thing I typed in, do I need a degree to trade? No. Do I need a certificate? No. Do I need a formal education? No. I was like, oh, what the fuck? Sign me up, son. Do you have a Telegram group? No. Then you need sponsorship from Google. Why Google? Oh, yeah, fully. The cheat code is square up, square down, triangle. Yeah. Yeah, both of them, Chester. I like where your head's at, Chester. Chester's asking some good questions over here. Bro, please don't spam that, Clinton, or I'll spam the block button. Yeah, you're done. You're done. You're done. Alright, you stopped. Lucky. You were nearly done. Did you develop your website as well? Yes. Yep. Yeah, I've started many small businesses and failed many times in my life, so I'm very well versed with web development, logo, like back-end systems, all this shit. Small L in Asia, so I'm totally prepared not to... Yeah, fair. That's a good mindset, John. Yep. Did you develop yourself? Did you have a mentor to put you through some difficult moments? Well, a mentor can only teach you... A mentor can only do so much in terms of technicals and just like maybe keep you accountable with community and stuff like that. But in terms of the mental side of it, that's really going to come down to you when you're alone in your room. There's no one else around. That's you versus you. That's like, here's a trader that's trying to get to that next level, and here's your emotions and your mental capacity to stick to your rules. And it's like, if you can overcome the temptation to do dumb shit on the charts, you know, the probability of you finding success is much highly increased. Yeah, we're getting some sort of push now. Nice. Then your next candle flip up and down looks good on Forex for sells, but yeah, I couldn't do this for me personally. I couldn't sell within this range. I'm happy to participate now that we're getting below this level here, because then I have a, you know, I could potentially have a decent spot for my stop loss and stuff. I'm always thinking about like, do I have a good spot for my stop loss? I'm not thinking about profits. I'm thinking about capital preservation. Do you have a Telegram group that scam its member? What? The only Telegram group I have is for the people that are participating in the pass your challenge for you thing. How can I join the Telegram? Bro. So we've got 3 minutes over here. This is going to be a 30-minute closure as well. Nice, nice. Yeah, a lot of bearish momentum over here. Zestovsky. Oh no, I'm not gonna like this one. I stopped work to commit to full-time learning trading this week. So hard trading part-time, bro. You know, you do whatever, but I would highly advise against that. Highly advise against that. You need that work routine and income. You need that income, because what that's going to do is start to cook your mentality, because you're not as focused when you're not financially in a position where you can ensure that money's coming in the door. Dave's legend. I'm impeccable. I hope you're doing well, brother. Brother. Ooh. Why is gold dumping like never before? Bro, if you think this is gold dumping like never before, you have not seen gold. Bro, how can I join the Telegram group? Bro, what? Okay, let me ask you this, Fid. What do you want out of the Telegram group? Like, what are you expecting? If there was a Telegram group, what do you think's in there? Shuldov took the breakout with support. Yeah, no, it wasn't a setup. Like, you know, the market can move, but the setup's not. If it's not a setup, it's not a setup. Nah, par rate, not necessarily like percentage based. As bad as it sounds, money is everything. If it's not coming in, you can lose focus on the basics in life. Yeah. Like, the most lowest points I've ever been at in my life is because I've had a lack of financial stability. Like, if I always think about the things that have, like, yeah, been my most difficult, it's always like, man, I needed more money. I needed that stability that money brings. And it allows you to focus more freely on other important aspects when you have that coming in the door. All right, so there's a 30 closure. You know, it looks like we could have bodies getting smaller over here on the 30. Could we see, like, you know, the next one maybe wick down, fill some of this range, and then break? Put it this way, you guys. If the next one can wick down and break back up in this range like this, I'll be interested in a buy. That's so true. Yeah. I thought you dropped signal for VIP. Nope. 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 What up, Kai? Yep. I feel you, Perry. I know what's up, bro. Check the 5 minute? No, I don't look at the 5 minute, bro. How do you educate people for trading? If yes, how can I join? I have a mentorship, but it's currently closed. But I do have a free Discord link in the bio, and you know, we have a lot of traders in there. It's just a good trading community. That's right, Ari. I guess now you know better. Not going to get rich tomorrow. Yep. 2 years, JT. Jason Derulo. So you don't do IB? IB as in for brokers? No, I don't do any broker stuff. I get hit up like every broker known to man has probably hit me up to do IB for them. And it's like, I can't be bothered. What does IB stand for again? IB. It means like, oh, maybe you're thinking of something different. I'm thinking of being like, you know, partnering with a broker to kind of get people to use them as a shit. For the many years I was the main breadwinner in my family. Lack of financial stability made me stupid in trading. Yep. Knowing that money's coming in regardless allows you just the freedom to think clearly and focus on the important things, not, oh man, how am I going to get my next fucking food? Australian Nobody's Fire. I don't know, man. It's a desert out here where, man, I've been like, I don't even know what a girl is in the last, like, however long. I'm just, all I do is trade, work, you know, be involved in the community, and I don't even know what a girl is, to be brutally honest. But I know what a guy, no, but yeah, I don't know, man. It's IB Euro. Ah, okay. Trading has me telling all my girls I'm too busy. Yeah, pretty much, bro. Yep. I'm not even at the point where I'm not even at the point where I have to tell girls I'm too busy anymore. It's just like, yeah, there's none anywhere, because I think it's, like the point is pretty evident. Oh, that's funny, George. Clean bubble arranged above the resistance created. Clean bait range above the recent resistance created. I see what you're saying. The only thing with that as well is, Perry, is it's good eyeballing, but here's two things that are on my mind is, one, I would be a bit sus on this, which is slightly above that. And two, if we were to look at taking a buy above there, you know, we have been moving down strong, right? That previous 15 closed strong as fuck. Yeah, I think it's a lower probability I think it is a lower probability. My Discord called me gay too, yeah. Oh wow. Come to Greece this summer? Are you gonna murder me or something? Hi, is the course free? I'm not seeing any cost. Well, you haven't even been looking properly, because if you jump onto the website, the first thing you'll see is literally this. Like, it's a wait list. You must be waiting on a list. Did anybody ever tell you look like that actor? Like an actor? Which actor? Johnny Sins? Oh, fuck. Yeah, come to Greece, you'll find girls here. Yeah, but that's the issue. We don't want girls out here. Wow, that sounded hella gay. Like, I mean, we want to focus on money. Oh, no, Channing Tatum. I have heard that, but I'm definitely a freaking, you know, a cooked version. Yeah, that too, Pez, yep. Who's Johnny Sins? An actor? A doctor? A fucking engineer? If we trade Forex, there's no point watching this live, is there? It depends why you're watching the live. I don't know why you're watching the live, so I can't answer that for you. Yep, perfect, Tony. Listen to this, Tony. I work 40 hours a week and trade 40 hours a week. I stay up to 3 a.m. studying and demo trading. And that's the thing, like, you know, people might hear that and be like, oh, that's so dramatic. And it's like, yeah, it is dramatic and it's probably not completely true, but I personally stay up till about 1:30 at night and I'm already profitable. Like, I have shit that I'm passionate about working on. And if you're passionate about learning something or working on something, you will just stay up. And it's not like you won't be forcing yourself to stay up. You'll most likely do it willingly because you know the effort, you know, you understand the purpose and the big vision. Girls is a distraction, men I break with. Now I'm funded on 7 accounts. Girls. But yeah, did you just send me a message? No. No, I wouldn't have thought about that, Perry, based on the 4 hour alone. I was looking at that. I might have, but I was a little bit late to the party. And the other thing is that, you know, in 8 hours, the candle bodies were quite small. Like, if this second 4 hour closure was a bit bigger, maybe. But I was also a bit late to the party anyway. And what did it look? And Forex didn't look that good on the 4 hour. I mean, very professions. Srinivasa. This is futures, and when I switch over to here, this is Forex. Okay, they're both gold, but you know, the price is going to be a little bit different. Wow, Danny as well, nice. Oh, there you go, graphs sorting you out there. MCs, yeah, listen to MC. This account's the only Slim Shady, yes. Wait, was that you, Panda, that I said that to in the DMs? Yeah, Panda messaged me and said, hey man, is this your only account? I said, this is the real me. This is the real Slim Shady. Oh, it was you. That's funny. I appreciate you, Doe. I guess at the moment, if this candle closes green how it is right now, put it this way, you know, a lot of things develop over time and I could see a different type of setup, but right now, if this candle were to close how it is now and the next candle pushes down below this level and closes like this, I'll be looking at a sell position right there. Take a sell right there type beat. But I'm just gonna have to wait a little bit over here and let price develop a little bit because there has been no setups just yet for myself. Do you have a Telegram group? Yep, but it's strictly twerking and breakdancing material. It has nothing to do with trading. So let me know if you want to join. It's only $4,000 a minute. I'm also locked in to learn. Problem is too much information on YouTube. Keep it simple. The lessons I learn. Patience the next day. Yep. Had a YouTube subscription cleanse. Ah, interesting. The anti-vaccine guy. Yeah, you can find yourself in that position, right? Where you just keep going, you keep trying to look for shit to learn. I mean, you keep, yeah. That's why it's good to kind of like identify the strategy that works for you and just kind of stick with it. His Telegram is dope. Super exclusive type beat. Yeah, exactly. Support, resistance, price action, liquidity. I don't know about liquidity, but yeah, definitely some shit like that. What up, Magolide? Magolide? Magolide, that's a pretty cool name. Do you give signals? Do you give... No, I don't. I'll tell you how you can join my Telegram page if you tell me why you are assuming there's a Telegram page. Finish that sentence. Thank you, Joel. Yeah, nice, hey. I don't know what that is, Danny. If it'll change your life, it tastes of it, bro. I don't. There's no such thing as food will change my life. I actually don't even. I spent so long as a bodybuilder that I just got over caring about food. Like, you know, people are like, oh, you have to go to this restaurant. The steak is just, and I'm like, bro, I'll just eat fucking tuna. Alhamdulillah for this tuna can. What the fuck? Why do people keep saying BRR? What the hell is BRR? BRR meaning? BRR is an interjection. Oh. BRR is an interjection. Bro, it's haram. Bro, you're haram. You're a haram for being on a trading live stream. Where to start as a beginner? Just Google, bro. Just start from Google and stuff. Okay, interesting. Would have liked that to close bigger body. Yeah, look on Forex. Not the best, you guys. Not the best. Okay, bye. See ya. Not the best. Newt the boost. Need a bigger green candle? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, just gonna have to be patient, I guess. What are you gonna do? You know what I mean? What kind of news have we got? Unemployment claims tonight. Yeah, unemployment claims isn't that far away. 10:30. 4 hours. You know, we should get a decent move within the next couple hours, but we'll see. Gold futures. But I'll be switching between Forex and futures, just kind of getting a pulse on both of them. Do you always use the 15? Yeah, I kind of sit on the 15 just to get like my pulse, finger on the pulse, but yeah, finger on the pulse, but also like pay attention to all the time frames. Like it has to make sense on all time frames if I'm looking to enter on the 15. No volume. Yeah, I don't know. Like even if this were to break below here now, the issue with that is like it's not, you don't want like a small body green candle to break below. It's not a very strong level of support now. The wick's all the way up there. Yeah, we'll see. Dan, you ever tried the paid analysis on baby pips? No, I didn't even know that was a thing. Sounds crazy though. Is Bitcoin making any moves? Oh, looks like we got to push up. We broke out of some sort of range here on Bitcoin. What does that look like on the daily? Yeah, yesterday was a strong day for Bitcoin. Retested that level. Oh wow, looks quite nice as a retest on the 4 hour. You do have a kind of this mid-range here to the left in terms of resistance. You can see it kind of got pulled up multiple times around that mid-range, high level. Yeah, nice. Yeah, if this 30 can break back up in this range, there's a potential for buyers maybe. What up, Vroom? Perry, let's have a look. Oh, Forex futures. Nah, because even to the left here, Perry, it's like that was a small level of support as well. Although it like pushed up after that, the actual body is... Nah, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it in terms of being a support level. Big J. Just applied for the mentorship. Ah, beautiful. Awesome, bro. Not long now, my man. Not long now. Should be fucking epic when we launch. Should be epic. Yeah, I'd love if this 30 could close above kind of this wick here. Even better if it could close above the body of that previous 30 closure. Yeah, exactly. That one up there broke. Just, yeah. What's going on with the current mentorship? It's just closed. I just closed the doors, so I'm revamping it, launching 2.0. Is it possible to buy your course now? Also, waitlist. It sends me to the waitlists on your website. Yep, the website is just a waitlist at the moment. Like I could put you in the current course, but I'm just going to keep the people that are in there now in there and not let anyone else in, because I would rather just, I want to make it the best possible experience. So I would rather let people back in when there's 2.0. I'm hearing a police car. I can't believe you guys can hear that. Yeah, so if this 15 were to kind of maybe close above this shit here, maybe I could be interested. I'd have to have a look on the time frames. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so fucking hungry. I have to eat this tuna. Yeah, the Rode mic is so superior. It fucking picks up police sirens outside. Looks like we're pushing up over here. Yeah, that's why I was saying that, Perry. That was something I was potentially noticing on the 30. So we could have some sort of break above / type 2. I can't believe I'm chatting with another account of yours right now. Yeah, that's a lot, isn't there? None of them are the true D banks, Zest banks. Malaysia come to say hi. Imagine if I flew all the way to Malaysia just to see you and say hi and then jump back on the plane. So, what are you eating? Oh, damn it. The mic's so strong I can pick up. Okay, I don't want you to hear me eating. That's fucking weird. You look good, bro. Thank you, Daddy. Daddy _ Lalita. God damn it. My mic's so good you can hear the food going fucking... ASMR. Tuna. You spelled tuna CHUNA. That's... Yeah, fair enough. Bro, you didn't fast. You didn't fast? I just want to learn and teach my sons. Well, brother, that's a massive motivator for you then. So you're going to have to step up as a dad, I guess. Right? Start on Google. Start from the ground up. Will this be a 1 hour closure? Yeah. Is this a 4 hour closure? Yes. Okay, this is interesting. This is where things could heat up a little bit. So there could be a potential setup coming up here, and two things are going to happen. It's going to present an opportunity for a higher probability setup, or it won't. So we're going to have to be okay if it doesn't, If like all things line up, like it looks like it wants to go in this direction, but unless it leaves the correct clues that indicate it's a good opportunity to enter the trade with good risk management, meaning I have a place for my stop loss, then I'm not going to take it. Bro, tell me, do you only focus on just one setup? Yeah, one setup. Like I have multiple setups, but one system. What's the bias for the day? Not really have a bias, just see what it's doing. Really love for this 30 to close above this range. If it doesn't, I would still potentially be interested, but I would really like that. Move stop loss to break even, risk-free trade. Well, firstly, you have to be in a trade, and secondly, it has to be in a certain level of profit for you to be able to do that. SMR, ASMR. Bro, you Muslim? No. No. But people that are Muslim said I'm allowed to say Alhamdulillah. Bro, it's Ramadan. Well, I'm not Muslim. I can fucking eat. I'm not actually Muslim. Bro, it's Ramadan. I'm literally the most Australian dude of all time. Yes, you can say Alhamdulillah. Ah, sweet. Had to come off, but then are you looking at this for a bounce? Yeah, looking at this a potential type 2 doughy, potentially. With a little bit of a break above. We'll see. We'll see. I'm still going to need the next candle to wick down because you're going to get a 1 hour wick here, and typically wicks like that typically want to be filled. So if we can get it decently filled and then push from there, I'd want a pretty decent. Yeah, I kind of want a decent bottom wick, but I could also see it leaving without. It's also a new 4 hour candle as well, you guys. So let's just be cool. You are Australian. I thought you were from the UK. No. No. Like you'll see that a lot of the times, like on the 1 hour candle, wicks get filled. You know what I mean? Like look at this week. People would have been looking at this and be like, oh, it's buy now. Let me buy. What happened to the next one? It filled that wick. What even happened after that one? It filled it again. You know, this one, maybe not so much. Fucking this one sort of. Like, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it prints. Let's just see how it prints. But just because you show up to the market does not mean you need to trade. You show up to the market looking for something to happen. If it doesn't present that thing, then you just have to fucking be patient. Because let me ask you this, and you already know the answer. What has ever happened when you've been impatient and you've taken a trade that's out of alignment with your strategy and system? Bow, bow. You know what I mean? So we've got that closure there. Yeah. 100% of the time lost. Yep. Exactly, bro. If you break your rules, you'll lose. Exactly. Yep. Hmm. 15. Let's have a look. I don't know, man. I don't know. I would have liked this to break above that range there, to be honest. I'm happy to wait. Yeah, good man. Good, good. Are all road mics that strong? Or they differ with quality and price? I'll take that as a compliment because this is a new mic. I've only recently got this, so I'm glad that it sounds strong. This particular one is one of their better ones. This is a GTM3, I think it's called. GT something 3, which is their highest kind of best one for that range. They have like the GT 1, 2, and 4 plus, but for whatever reason, the 3 is the best one. Don't look good, to be honest. Yeah, I don't know, man. It looks alright if you just look at the 30. Are you checking for CISD? What the fuck is that? Yep, being in front of the chart all day definitely can do that to you. Okay, so this is a new 4-hour. Are you no Roger Banks? Are you no Roger Banks? Oh, it's a new 4-hour. Yeah, 4-hour. It's a new 4-hour on future Forex. Beautiful, Mark. Yeah, yeah. Appreciate that. Yeah, Road is good. Because I used to have one that's called a compression mic, I think. And it's just like, unless the mic's in your face, it sounds shit. Bro, just tell us what time frame you're using. Well, I keep switching between time frames. If you want to see the full thing, come over to the YouTube full chart here, you guys on TikTok. Look here. That's where you can see all the shits. I'm going to put a buy stop here, but I might cancel it. I cancelled it. I like this on the 30. I just don't like how it looks on the 15. I just don't like how it looks on the 15. I don't like that we didn't break above that range there. I don't like that we didn't break above there. I do really like how it looks on the 30, but it's just, I can't base it just on the 30. I need other confluence, and yeah, I'm gonna wait a little bit and just see how price develops here. It could leave, it can push up, but I just have to stick to the rules. Don't do a gamble buy. Yeah, I wasn't looking at it as a breakout trade. Yeah, ask your dog, to be honest. It will push up. There's no such thing as it will do this. We don't know what it's going to do. There's only two things it can do, go up or down, but we don't know which one it is. We can do things to higher the probability, like based on data that we've collected, that it might do this, but there's no such thing as it will do this. Sounds like it doesn't fit your rules. It does on the 30. Like, I just don't like that it hasn't technically broken above this range here. And yeah, I nearly took it. I really like how it looks on the 30. Unfortunately, I needed a bit more confluence from the 15. I needed a little bit more confluence from the 15. So it can leave now, but I had to stick to the rules there. I had to stick to the rules there. Broke 1 minute high. Yeah, that is a better confluence story, but you still need to take into consideration what the lower, like the 15 looks like. Especially if there's like a relatively strong level of, you know, support in this case. You know. Yeah, to be honest, I would probably have already taken some partials off by now. But that's fine, like, you got to stick to your rules. Because, yeah, it can pay off now, but I just know with the data that I've collected, like, it wasn't the highest probability setup. Oops. On the FX, there was a lot of R just above. A lot of R. What the hell's an R? Why wouldn't you consider it a strong area? What do you mean? I mean, like, there's a level of resistance here, and this candle didn't technically break past it. Right? This candle didn't break above that resistance. So if I'm taking this trade, anticipating on the 30 as a type 2 setup, but knowing on the 15 that there's a strong level there that the 15 couldn't break past, I'm like, there's contradicting things happening. And although the higher time frame is a strong confluence, I still can't completely disregard what the 15's telling me. And for that, I'm out. Would you be happy if the 1 hour closed above 3045? 3045. Yeah, but that's pretty far away. Like, if it closed up here, then what are you gonna do? You're like in the middle of this range kind of thing. Yeah, nice MC. Very nice. Like, just the way that this looks right now is obviously quite pretty on the 30. What does it look like on Forex? Yeah, it looks pretty similar on Forex. Quite pretty, but yeah, just with that key level there on the 15. If it breaks above its wick now and pushes up at least another like 5 pips, then I was wrong. But if it rejects now and dances around here, then I made the right decision. Although, you know what? That's a silly thing to say. I made the right decision regardless because I stuck to my rules. But I just mean that, like, you know what I'm saying? Whatever. So now it's a write-off for you to take. Yeah, it's not. No, it's not it. It is not it. And the fact that we've got this here to the left, you know, this is a pretty high rejection area that I would, you know, with gold, considering, typically I wouldn't worry about that too much, but because with gold, we've got this doughy right here, this rejection area, and then to the left, there is absolutely nothing else, right? Because this is the all-time high spot. So I would take this point into consideration. It's the only level of resistance to the left-hand side. Can't see your whole screen? Then you have to go here, brother, if you want to see the full screen. Wait for a proper setup. Yeah, just wait for the when probabilities are all in your favor. Like, I've already taken 2 high probability trades today. It's a good feeling when you wait for a high probability trade and it plays out and you why have Sonic sound? Is the Sonic thing still back? Is the Sonic ad thing back TikTok? What the fuck is with this Sonic thing? I have no idea what it is. I have no idea what the Sonic thing is. Looking like Sonic. What are the rules for your entries? It depends. There's so many, depending on the situation. In my opinion, the easiest trades till the end of the month would be stacking long positions on Bitcoin. Okay, wizardry. You know what Bitcoin's doing over the next month, do you, young man? Yeah, sounds good, Pez. Sounds good, my brethren. Yeah, it looks very pretty here on the looks very pretty here on the 30. That's all right. Do you guys realize, like, it's a whole nother level of discipline as well to be able to see one of your setups that nearly fucking is your criteria, and you say, you know what, man, I'm gonna have to sit this one out because it's not what exactly I want to see. And especially if you're playing with real money, man, this is real money on the line, and I know probabilities are much more in my favor when I see and I take a trade that's actually based on exactly what I want to see. Stacy's back in the fucking chat. It's like 3 a.m. where she fucking lives. How many hours you sit in front of the monitor? Not that many, bro. What up, S? So it's 15 here, closes in 30 seconds. I'm doing amazing, Stacey. Hope you've been well. I do hope you've been well. And yeah, I've been really good, thanks. Missed you. Yeah, I missed you too. It's been a while. I'm watching you on YouTube. Glad to see you waited to see if it closed above resistance. Yeah, but that doesn't mean that you enter. Like, I wanted that candle to close above resistance. I wanted that specific candle to close above resistance. Not so much the second one, because now the second one's closed. Now I've got a fair bit of green, and this candle closed with a smaller body than the prior one. What does it look like on Fute Forex? Yeah, same story. The body's a bit smaller than the prior one. I'll bring that level to there, I guess. I'll bring that level to there. Can we see more of your chart on TikTok, please? No, I'm like, it's even having this chart on TikTok is the most I've ever shown. It's very risky with TikTok. But if you want to see the full chart, go here. You guys on TikTok, if you want to see the full chart, go here. Go Can we buy? It's above that candle. Yeah, I just went through that. Yeah, I don't know. There's nothing really here just yet, you guys. Like there was that 30-minute play there that I kind of stood down from, but I stood down because it wasn't really fully it. So far there hasn't been too much clean. Yeah, I'm probably going to call it, you guys. Probably going to call it. In reality, like the next best setup for me would be obviously a break below this level. I don't really want to participate in this range here at this point now. Like there was a potential setup there, but it didn't tick enough boxes to enter. Now that we've kind of moved up here, it's whatever. And then obviously breaks above there I'm interested in as well. But it's going to take like a while for it to either move to one of these levels. And that's what I'm waiting for. Not to mention we have news, high impact news in 3 and a bit hours. So the market's going to start acting a bit weird prior to that. So, you know, if you do still want to participate in the market, moving up to unemployment claims, just be careful, man. Be careful, you guys. Yeah. All right, you guys. Appreciate you guys for jumping in. And let's catch up tomorrow. You guys in the mentorship, we'll have a look at the Asia sesh. And be safe, you guys. News coming up. Be safe. But I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch up with you tomorrow.